alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and healthy at your home. Children, today we are going to learn about another important organ of a plant, that is leaf. Let us continue our session 3. So, children, here you are seeing structure of a leaf. First, we we will learn something about these leaves. Because of the leaves we can identify different types of plants. Generally we are seeing plants in our surroundings which are different in their shapes and sizes. Leaves are also differing in their size and shape and compared to other leaves. Now in this we are going to learn about the structure of a leaf. Now you can see here a leaf is arising from a stem at its node. There is also a bud at its node which is called as axillary bud. In last session we discussed about it. Now the flat portion of the leaf is called as leaf lamina or leaf blade, and the tip of the leaf is called as its apex, and the sides are called as margin of the leaf. Now when you see in this flat portion, that is leaf lamina or leaf blade, a one thick line like structure passing through it, which is also called as midrib or mid vein. So from this midrib, some fine line like structures are passing from both of the sides of this midrib, which are called as veins. And from this again finer divisions are arising from those veins which are called as veinlets. So now we can observe that the leaf is attached with a stem with the help of a structure called petiole, and the leaf is also having a leaf base. At this place there is also having some stipules, and the leaf is green in color because of the presence of a pigment called chlorophyll, which helps in photosynthesis process. Now we again um, discuss about all the parts of a leaf. It is having apex, margin, midrib, veins, veinlets, and it is attaching to the stem with the help of a petiole. These are the parts of a leaf. Let us go to the venation of it. Now, what do you mean by venation? Like we human beings are having skeleton to our body to give a particular shape to our body, like that leaf is also having a skeleton like structure called as venation. Here we are having two types of venation. One is reticulate venation. Now we see what is reticulate venation. And some leaves we find net like or web like venation on both sides of a midrib. This is called as reticulate venation. If the veins are parallel to one another, the venation is known as parallel venation. So if we see this reticulate venation, we are having all the plants that are having reticulate venation will have taproot system, and the plants with parallel venation are having fibrous root system. And this fibrous root system is the we can see this venation in monocot plants, whereas reticulate venation we see in dicot plants. Now we are having another structure called as stomata. Children, if we see, we are having nose to breathe. Like this, plants also have a structure to breathe air. Now you are seeing there is a structure called as stomata with a breathe air. These stomata are present in the leaf. The lower portion of the leaf are having stomata, and we see how we can observe this stomata. To observe stomata, take a fleshy leaf, peel the outer layer of the leaf and place it on a slide. Put a drop of water on it and observe it under a microscope. Now you can find some bean shaped parts called as stomata. Now we see the function of stomata. These are useful in exchange of gases between plants and the atmosphere, and this stomata also helps in transpiration. What do you mean by transpiration? The excess water is removed in the form of vapor from the leaf surface by a process called transpiration. Again, we define this the process of releasing excess water in the form of vapor by the stomata of leaf is called as transpiration. Now we see the functions of leaf. Leaves help in respiration and they also carry out transpiration, and they prepare food by the process of photosynthesis. So these are the main functions of a leaf. Now we go for this how transpiration is going on in a leaf. You're seeing this picture. Now you have given in your textbook page number 20 a picture of pottikalu. Now we see what is this food item. It is nothing but idli steamed in jackfruit leaves. And these pottikalu are also known as panasabuttalu. So it is a famous traditional food of Konasima of Godavari districts. Leaves of jackfruit tree are used in its preparation. They make cups with these leaves and fill them with batter made of black gram and also rice rava or idli rava. These cups are steamed to get pottikalu. They can be taken with any chutney like that of idli, and these are very healthy and delicious with jackfruit flavor. So this is about pottikalu. Now we are having another part of a plant, that is flower. The flower has colorful parts called as petals. In the second picture you are seeing a pink colored petals. These flowers attract insects for pollination and produce fruits. We grow plants for colorful flowers which give beauty to nature. We will learn more about these flowers in your next class.